Many friends have sent me private messages asking, how much tension can this ultra-thin 40-micron film tape withstand? Today, I'll show you. Let's weigh it first. This is a kilogram scale. 6.54 kilograms. Let's pull it. It's perfectly fine. Let's add more weight for testing. Adding more and bundling it again, let's try. Alright, let's weigh it again with all this. It's nearly 12 kilograms. We'll pull it. It still won't break. So, you don't have to worry about its tensile strength. If you have any doubts, you're welcome to come and test it yourself.